This is my Mark II Renault Kangoo, and it's a lovely little van, except for one thing. It's a little bit noisy at the moment. Let me show you what I mean. That is a front wheel bearing. You need some serious attention. I don't know if it's showing up on the gauge there, but it intermittently is up as high as 75 decibels. The volume of it idling is about 50 decibels. That's how you can tell it's a front wheel bearing. And this is how to change it. Well, it's the moment of truth. It's all back together. Has it made a difference? I think it has. What does the decibel-o-meter thing read now? Between 58 and 59 decibels. I'd say that's a massive result.